Guys, this is Dan Madrid over at GFS. I am the head jiu-jitsu professor over here. This is one of my students, Nora Sasueta. We're going to show you the move of the week, which is going to be an armless triangle with the gi. Okay, so here we go. So guys, starting from the closed guard, you might get the situation where we sit here and we allowed our partner to posture up and they get their arms underneath for the double unders to stack pass, which is they get here, then they start turning to the side, and they pass our guard from here, which is really common in jiu-jitsu. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to counter that with the defense and then add an offense to it as well. So as soon as our partner got the double under for the stack, right away I want to drive my knees down and get the back of my hamstrings on her biceps and drop my feet to the mat. So then that way it's not going to eliminate her grips on my pants or belt, wherever she may have or my partner may have. But as she starts to pick up my hips, I can at least arch my hips up and drive my feet to the mat to prevent that stack pass. So the next step is I'm going to latch onto the sleeves and I'm going to start to hip away. Okay? Once I hip away, what I'm going to look to do is, because what I'm looking for is our partner to follow back in. As they do that, again, keeping my feet heavy, I'm going to release one of the sleeves. I'm going to open up the collar and feed one hand to the opposite side of her neck here. Now, in this case, if I try to finish with this choke here, my wrist is too high on the jawline and it's not going to work. So what I need to do is I need to pivot to that side of the arm on which I'm attacking. Okay, so in this case, because my left arm's into the collar, I'm going to pivot to my left here. By doing that, it slides my forearm underneath her throat, and this is what's going to set the choke. The next step is to take my free arm, and I'm either A, going to grab behind her head and force it into the forearm, or B, I'm simply just going to push her neck, her neck into my wrist. Once I do that, I'm going to take that same side leg and come across the back of the neck. From here, I'm going to triangle my legs. I'm going to release the hand on the side of the head and come behind. I'm going to compress in and finish for the choke. Okay, one more time. Again, we start from the closed guard. We allow our partner to posture up, get the double unders, and we get here. So before they start to stack our weight, we know that we got to widen our knees, get our hamstrings on our biceps, and drop my feet to the mat. As I do that, I kind of want to hip away a little bit, inviting our partner to come in. As soon as they come in, now notice when they start to come in, they instantly put their head down. Okay, because it's going to be too hard for Nora to stay postured and walk into me at the same time. So she's going to come forward a little bit, and that's our cue to go. So we release one of the sleeves, we open that side of the collar, we go palm up with our thumb to the inside, or thumb to the outside. Once we get here, again, pivoting to the same side in which I have my arm into the collar. Now my forearm is underneath her throat. I take the hand and either A, I push it down into the forearm, or I push it into my wrist. Once I get either two of those motions done, I take the same side leg coming across the back of the neck, triangling my legs. From here, I release the hand, coming behind the head. Now from here, I don't want to sit here and try to squeeze here, but I want to bring my knees to my chest and then squeeze. Guys, thank you for tuning in and checking out the Move of the Week, brought to you by Grace Fighting Systems. Again, my name is Dan Madrid. Check out my Instagram, Twitter, which is at Dan Madrid MMA. Nora, do you have any information for them?
Nora Sasueta on Facebook or morefitmorefab.com, Run Diva on Instagram.
I will have all the links for you guys in my short little description. Thanks again, guys. Have a great day.